Here are my Brandywine tomatoes, and as you can see, they are looking very, very healthy. The change of the weather at night doesn't seem to bother them at all. Just a little perseverance, and having to come back here every day in the afternoon to cover them sometimes can be cumbersome, but it pays off. See that bloom right there? And most of these tomatoes are starting to have blooms on them. And yeah, this one as well. I don't know if it's sure because of the sun is too intense and it cannot create like a whiteout. But right there, this have several blooms there on that side, and some bloom on this side as well. Now over here, and obviously the cold weather doesn't really affect this pepper plant here, and actually if you look carefully, the stem which lost its foliage during the storage in my greenhouse, winter storage, as you can see, they are coming back. And that's a tropical pepper plant, and it's doing very well. Over here, these are my Cherokee purple. Right there, you see that? And this Cherokee purple also are starting to bloom. So the weather is obviously not that cold for it. Oh, oh wow. I gotta focus on it. I'm so excited I can't focus. Look at this. Take a look. Oops, I'm not getting it. Can you see that? My first Cherokee purple tomato. I'm just tickled by this. It's got fruit. Would you believe that? This is March 5th, and my Cherokee purple is not only blooming, it's actually have its first fruit right there. Let me see if I can zoom in. There she goes. This is just exciting. This is March 5th, and my Cherokee purple are wanting to give me my first tomato, because most of them have blooms. I showed you that one of my Cherokee purple is actually bearing fruits now. I actually have Cherokee purple tomato. And now I showed you earlier that my fig tree is starting to have fruits even before all the leaves emerge from the plant. And as you can see, this is the earliest I've ever seen this fig tree bear fruit. And I don't know if I'm wrong for being surprised if it's something that the fig tree normally do, but I have never noticed it. I never noticed it before. And it's growing right along with the new leaves that are coming up. I find it fascinating because, as I said, I have never seen this fig tree behave this way before. As you can see, it's growing right along with the, oh, it's too close, with the leaves or leaf. Here goes one right there. You see those two figs right there? Find it fascinating that it's growing fruits already. And there's some big ones on the other end that I can't get to. But anyway, I'm just fascinated by this. we probably had done something right that we're not aware of. But my figs, let me see if I could zoom in all the way on the other end. Oh well. Okay, this is a jalapeno pepper which overwintered in my greenhouse. And we are going to zoom in if my camera cooperate with me. And let me come close. If we look close enough, you will see that let me see if I can, it's starting to have, there you go, lots of potential blooms right there, which then will become jalapeno, as you can see there. You can see that it's starting to grow some buds right there, and lots of new leaves starting to come up as well. So there we are looking at my first Cherokee Purple for the season. Well, it's not really spring yet, but this is going towards spring 2017. This is March 5th, and as you can see, there is a Cherokee Purple fruit right there. And this Cherokee Purple, as you can see, is planted outside. I just had to make sure I show it again.